want to feed him?
I don't think that cow likes me.
What? What's so funny?
I don't think the cow likes me.
I'll eat it, Dad. You feed us?
He keeps laughing.
Who?
The baby.
What do you see, bud?
I see a baby
No, not there. What are they called? Goats. That's a goat.
We got Billy Goats. Olivia, that's probably your brother.
Is that funny? Do you like when the cow moves?
Hey, Dad, can we feed the cow?
Sure, honey, go ahead.
Every time the cow moves, he laughs.
Good.
What's that?
It was a cow.
Mikey, come here. You want to pet the goat? Don't pull his horn, Olivia. Don't pull his horn. You can pet the goat. See how Olivia's petting him?
Taking pictures. That's funny.
Okay, Jamie. Hey, Jamie, would you like to pet the goat? See how Mikey's petting the goat?
Every time that cow moves.
You want to be in the shade? Okay, we'll get there eventually.
Let's go buy the cow.
You want to go see the cow?
The cow. All right. All right.
Come on.
Let's go see that cow.